Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche Carrera and this is by Hotwheels. So I bought this for 179. This is from the Q case. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I do remember buying Porsche Carrera from with a different livery. Currently I'm not even remembering from which year and which case I bought all these things from, because I do have a lot of Hot Wheels at this point, and at some point I will be just selling it back to my friends or someone who really needs it for their collection. So apart from scalpers I'm talking about. Okay, let's review this now. Okay, out of the box you can see a lot of paint job issues here. Paint rashes, paint bubbling. I mean, literally everything in one place. It is like one stop shop for every irregular paint job needs. Dude, the logo is not even clear, it is not even good. And I never thought this casting is going to be, the detailing on this casting is going to be this much shitty. So the rims looks, I mean, the paint job on the rims looks really nice, which matches with the rest of the car, but not much. So you do have tail light details. See, as usual, I say, see, there are no headlight details, okay, but they keep tail light details. Are you going to play with the car like this or this? I really want to understand. So whoever is the genius behind this in Mattel, who wants to put tail light details but not headlight details, I really want to have a word with him someday. Maybe in future, if I reach that level, or if whoever already knows them, just ask him or her this question on behalf of me: why you are doing this? I really want to understand. Okay, the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. So it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, now take two. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, it rolls nice. It rolls really nice. Maybe not up to that Dodge van or even Shelby's level, but this one rolls nice. Which is honestly, this is a fourth car which rolled really nice. After a very long time, I see some cars rolling really nice off the track. I'm talking about their own track. It is not even something which I bought, half brand. This is by Hot Wheels, that track which I'm having there. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.